Hello students, after part 3 we are now heading towards part 4 of the text. So Dhritarashtra heard the painful words that were spoken with affection. So Dhritarashtra's son Duryodhana, he was actually burning with envy. He was so depressed, and for a father it is sometimes not tolerable that his son is so sad. So Dhritarashtra, the king, decided to appease Duryodhana, and the great king Dhritarashtra sent for Vidura. So he called Vidura. We ended here in the last video. So now we are going to get Dhritarashtra ask Vidura to invite Pandava for dice. So Dhritarashtra actually, when the sagacious Vidura heard that the game of Kali was upon them, so then Vidura actually himself comes and says, I do not welcome, my lord king, the decision you have taken. Vidura tells Dhritarashtra, he was very intelligent, that আপনি যদি পাখা খেল করে এটা তো ভালো কথা নহব, act to avoid that a breach occur among your sons on account of dicing. So on account of dicing, a breach or a quarrel or a gap, or a falling out of relationship will occur, will happen. So Dhritarashtra says, Vidur, go at once on your chariot with steeds that match the wind in speed. Steed means horse. So take horse that match the wind in speed. Speedy horse to the Khandava tract, Khandaprastha, to their state, Pandavas, and bring Yudhishthira. My decision shall not be circumvented. Vidura, I tell you, I deem it supreme destiny that makes this befall. So তেওঁ এটা কথা কৈছিল, I deem it supreme destiny that makes this befall. Befall means this fall is because of the supreme destiny. Fate. Dhritarashtra, actually he was blind for his son. He bore extraordinary affection, but he also told that it is because of fate I have come to a condition where the result is this, So Vidura went to wise Bhishma, the son of the river. Also one mark question maybe, who is referred to as the son of river? Bhishma. So this was the root of the destruction of the world, based of the twice born. So twice born Bhishma, so this was the root of the destruction of the world, Vidura told him. Thus addressed by the king, Vyasa's majestic student, who knew everything, narrated it all as it had happened. So here we do not find anything replies. So again, listen to me and hear the story once more in its detail, based of the Bharatas, if you have a mind to listen. So it is in the form of actually Janmejaya and Vaishampayana telling a story, but we are directly going through Dhritarashtra, Sakuni, and like that. So when they were alone, Dhritarashtra আৰু Duryodhana যেতিয়া অকলশৰে আছিল, যদিও Dhritarashtra কৈছিল যে পাখা খেলা হ'ব, he told Vidur to invite the Yudhishthira, the Kumteya, for a game of dice. So যেতিয়া অকলে আছিল তেওঁ কৈছিল ধৃতৰাষ্ট্ৰ the son of Ambika spoke this word to Duryodhana, enough of the dicing, son of Gandhari. Vidura does not approve of it, nor would he in his very great sagacity tell us aught that is in bad faith. So it is not good to invite them for a game of dice. It will split our family. It will bring a quarrel, a fight. So it will bring a breach. So stop it. Why don't you understand? So when they were alone, he actually tried to convince. That means what? Dhritarashtra was aware of the bad side of the game of dice, but he was blind for his son. And he also told that it is his fate actually. So he told his son that Vidura is considered the first sage among the Kurus. যে Vidura hoise amar Kuru bangshor prothom sage, hoy na? So we should listen to him. Gambling is found to be divisive. Because of gambling, because of the game of dice, it is always divisive. It always splits. So he told like this. Then Duryodhana said, I am not reading every line. I am only reading the important lines. Then Duryodhana said, evil is the man who looks to how he eats and dresses. Low is the man, they say, who is incapable of indignation. অৰ্থাৎ সেইজন মানুহে হৈছে বেয়া মানুহ, ইভিল, who looks to how he eats and dresses, কেনেকে বেলেগে খানা খায়, কেনেকে বেলেগে ড্ৰেছ পিন্ধে, যিয়ে এইটো চাই ফুৰে. One who looks after all those things is a bad man, evil man. দুৰ্যোধনে কৈছে আৰু কৈছে low is the man, আৰু সেইজন হৈছে নিচ মানুহ, who is incapable of indignation, যিয়ে indignation মানে disgust, যিয়ে অবজ্ঞা কৰিব নোৱাৰে. So আমি যদি চাবলৈ যাওঁ, ইয়াত দুৰ্যোধনে নিজে কৈছে যে his mind became evil with envy, with jealousy. যে জেলাচিৰ ফলত দুৰ্যোধনৰ মনটো ইভিল হৈ গৈছে. So আমি যদি ইয়াতে ক'ব যাওঁ, cause of Duryodhana's sadness we find here. তেতিয়া তেওঁ দেউতাকক কয় যে how much he is grief stricken. তেওঁ কয় Maya had built a lotus. So Indraprastha, he visited for the royal consecration. ৰাজহুৱা যজ্ঞ চাবলৈ তেওঁ ইন্দ্ৰপ্ৰস্থলৈকে গৈছিল, যুধিষ্ঠিৰ বা পাণ্ডৱৰ ৰাজ্যলৈকে. আৰু তাত তেওঁ কেনেকুৱা how he was humiliated, কেনেকৈ তেওঁ হিউমিলিয়েট হৈছিল সেই কথাটো কৈছিল, আৰু কেনেকৈ তেওঁ খুব কষ্টত জীয়াই আছে তেওঁ দেউতাকক কনভিন্স কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছিল. Maya had built a lotus pond and seemed full of water but was made out of crystal with jeweled water pools. So I pulled up my clothes and the old belly laughed at me. That portion I have already told you that Duryodhana actually he found a pond, but he thought it was land full of tiles, you know. So he pulled up, I pulled up my clothes and the old belly laughed. Old belly means Bhima laughed. When he mistook a pond regarding land or land as pool, they laughed, you know. To be derided by a rival burns me. To be derided by rivals means to be mocked or ridiculed by rivals. So শত্ৰুৰ দ্বাৰা এনেকে humiliated হৈ পেলাই মই এতিয়া জ্বলি আছো. When I saw a similar pond full of lotuses, I thought it was likewise made out of crystal, and I fell into the water. So again he saw another real pool, but he misunderstood it as a crystal, glassor mane tiles bully, and then he again fell into the pond. And Krishna and Partha means Arjuna, who is referred to as Partha, Arjuna. Krishna and Partha laughed at me. And so did Draupadi and the women, offending my heart. Draupadi and his attendants, aru hei Draupadi logot thoka mohila bilako haisil aru offending my heart. Duryodhane tetia beya lagisil. When I went through what seemed a door but was not, I hit a crystal slab with my forehead and got burned. The twins saw me from a distance and were amused. So Nakula and Sahadeva were also amused when Duryodhana by mistake, hit a crystal slab forehead. When I went through what seemed a door, he thought it as a door, but it was a crystal slab. So like that. So these were the cause of Duryodhana's sadness, that he was humiliated when he visited Indraprastha, and he was also burning, or he burned with envy that his rival is prospering. Duryodhana raised to a position of a sovereign king. So Duryodhana next gives a description to his father how rich the Kumteya Indraprastha. The Combos gave as tribute fleeces of Ida sheep, and all those deer skin jackets, all horses, ebilak disil. So ইয়াতে অলপ question আহিব পাৰে, what did Combos give as a tribute in the Rajahuwa Yajna of Yudhishthira? So you write all these sort things. Our king Bhagadatta, gallant ruler of Pragjyotisha, aru amar Bhagadatta raja Pragjyotishor teo goisil, but he was denied the entry. Kintu te khumaboloi dia nasil. Kintu Bhagadatta Pragjyotisha went away after presenting a jade vase and swords with heels of pure ivory. Pure হাতিৰ দাঁতৰ লগোৱা যেতিয়া তৰোৱাল দিছিল তেতিয়াহে তেওঁক সোমাবলৈ দিছিল. So এইবিলাকো question হ'ব পাৰে, what did Bhagadatta give as a tribute in Rajahuwa Yajna? So বা এনেকৈ লিখিব পৰা আহিব পাৰে, name two kings who attended Rajahuwa Yajna. So Bhagadatta আৰু তোমালোকে এনেকুৱা পাবা, the king of Kamboja. So there may be so far as short questions of 1 marks and 2 marks are concerned, you have to be very careful in the whole text, aru ene jibilak long question ami hibilak later on we will discuss intellectually whether Yudhishthira is right to accept the challenge for a game of dice, because he was follower of dharma, he knows it is a bad thing. So we will discuss, but so far as short questions is concerned, you have to be very careful. And suppose here it is that many kings came with their tributes. Here is a one thing that many kings, the gold called Piplika, which is granted as a boon by the Piplika ants, and they brought it by basketful and piles. So here are name of many kings and they brought Piplika gold. So here may be a question, Piplika gold is made by whom? Piplika ants. So এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যিকোনো question হ'ব পাৰে. And there are many tribute that the kings pay to the sacrifice. Scythians, Turkas, Kankas, Ramasas, the horned man brought Mahagama and Durgama horses that numbered in the millions. So iman bhitorer pora nahe name two horses that were attributed in Rajahuwa Yajna. It is a very important question bilake ahe. Jene yate eta ase je Sakas, O Lord of the people, Angas, Vangas, Pundras, Sanavitas, Gayas, Sujatis, Srenimats, all grand and sword-wielding barons brought well by the hundreds for Ajatasthru. So iman bilak rojar nam, ei roja bilake ki korisil, all those kings and some barons also brought wealth by hundreds. It was opulence, So by the hundreds for Ajatasthru. So who is Ajatasthru? By write two names of Yudhishthira. It may be Ajatasthru, it may be Bharata Vanshi, it may be Dharmaraja. So you will find যেনেকে ইয়াতে অজাতশ্ৰুটো পাইছে আৰু ক'ৰবাত বেলেগকে তেওঁক he is referred in some other pages differently. So there may be a question, write two names of Yudhishthira, Ajatasthru and Dharmaraja বা Bharatavanshi. So the Gandharva king Chitraratha, a friend of Indra, gave 400 windfast steeds. 400 windfast বতাহৰ নিচিনা দৌৰিব পৰা ঘোঁৰা দিছিলে. So এইবিলাক আহিব পাৰে. Write 2 or 3 names of king who attended the royal consecration of Yudhishthira. So you have to be a little careful regarding these things. আৰু ইয়াতে এটা important question আছে. ইয়াতে তোমালোক one question হ'ব পাৰে. Duryodhana is telling his father that how flourished the Kumteya is. I have not seen one there who was not fit, not happy. In the royal consecration when he visited Yudhishthira, there are 88,000 Snataka householders. 88,000 Snataka householders. That means for the service of the royal family, Snataka householders, 88. Each with 30 serving wenches. That means young lady with each Snataka houses whom Yudhishthira supports, and they were all fed by Yudhishthira. And after their what it is called, when they finish their eat from golden platters at Yudhishthira's palace, Yajnashana's daughter used to eat. So Yajnashana's daughter, who is Yajnashana's daughter? Draupadi. So this may be one mark of question. And there are two who have not paid tribute to Kumti's son Bharata. So everyone has to proceed with his tribute, but there were two. One is Panchala, because he is the father-in-law, Panchala king, Drupad, the father of Draupadi, and what the Andhaka Varsnis, that means Krishna and King Drupad. You can write like this: Panchala king and Andhaka Varsnis. These two did not contribute to the royal consecration because one is friend and one is alliance. Okay, this is also important question for 2 marks. So it is 18 minutes. Okay, we have to stop here. Okay, otherwise it is very difficult to upload. So thank you. It is part 4.